Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we will see how to clear browsing history in our phone. Before proceeding to this tutorial, if you are new user to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let us start. Why we clear browsing history, or what's the advantage of clearing browsing history? There are some advantages of clearing browsing history. Some of these are: it secures your privacy. Clearing browsing history secures your privacy. It removes temporary files. Frees up space on your device. Makes your device faster. These are some of the basic advantages of clearing browsing history. Now I will show you how to clear browsing history step by step. Type Chrome on search bar. Open Chrome browser. Click on three dots. Select History. Click on Clear Browsing Data. Go to Time Range. By default, you will get Last Hour. Click on Last Hour. Then select All Time. Now click on Clear Data. Now we have successfully cleared our browsing history or browsing data. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.